Hey everybody, welcome back to my so-called mom life. Today we are going to be doing a science experiment in our homeschool. We are in third grade, so we've been actually learning about landforms, and this week we've been learning about volcanoes. So stay tuned, this is how to make a homemade volcano. All right, so for today's experiment, we're going to do an erupting lava volcano. I'm so excited. All right, so we are doing this inside because it's actually raining outside, but you can actually do this outdoors as well, and I will let you guys know exactly how to do that as well. But for an indoor volcano, and just for the actual eruption of the volcano, these are the ingredients you will need. You are going to need a quarter cup and a teaspoon. You're going to do a quarter cup of white vinegar. Then you'll be doing a couple of drops of dish soap. We use Dawn. And then you're going to need 2 to 4 squeezes of red food dye, depending on how red you want your lava. And then you will also do 2 just drops of water, so a teaspoon of water would be plenty. Now, that is going to be your liquid that you will be pouring into your center. For the center, you're going to want to use some type of plastic bottle. We're using a water bottle. You want something that has a very small top on the opening to it. And in that bottle, you are going to do 2 teaspoons of baking soda. What you're going to want to do then is use that bottle as your base for your child to build the volcano up around. Now we are going to go ahead and use good old-fashioned Play-Doh to build our volcano. 50 cents a pop, and very inexpensive here experiment. If you wanted to, you could use plaster, you could use clay model. Outdoors, you would use the exact same ingredients, but for the actual volcano, you could use dirt, sticks, rocks, whatever you would like your child to use, or let them be creative and make it on their own. So we are going to go ahead and get started. We're going to put our base in the center. And we have cardboard down so we don't make a mess. And then I'm going to have my son go ahead and build his volcano up to just about here so that the opening is completely open so that we can go ahead and pour in our liquid lava to have our explosion, which we will see in a little bit. All right. Xander's going to go ahead and start building his volcano. All right, we have our mix ready and we are going to erupt. Go ahead. Careful. Careful. Dump it in. All right, let's see what happens.
So weird.
That's what happens. And then the lava gets all over the place and it creates new rock and new landforms. And so there are 3 types of volcanoes, right? There's the dormant volcanoes that haven't erupted in the last 2,000 years. There's the extinct that haven't erupted in over the last 10,000 years. And then there's the active, which have erupted within the last. And we do have an active volcano actually in Hawaii. So this would be an active volcano, and it's still going. So if you want more of an eruption, more baking soda is needed. And if you want a quicker eruption, you might want to use a smaller bottle. But there you have it, folks. It erupted and it is oozing down the sides like it should. And if this was, Sandra, and if this was a real volcano, we would be seeing new landforms being created with our very eyes. And there you have it, folks. Our volcano erupted. We had to use a little extra baking soda to get it there, but it happened. And then what I really loved about it is after it erupted, it kind of melted the Play-Doh off the side just like lava would to rock. And it kind of created a different design on the bottle. So that was kind of cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you do this experiment with your kids, then please feel free to drop comments below on how you guys did it. And I would love to see some pictures as well of your volcanoes. As always, thanks for stopping by. If you have not subscribed already, please do so. I hope you have a wonderful day. Like, share, and hit the notification bell for future content. Have a good day.